Hi and welcome to ISBI. In this video I show you how I made my wooden Star Knob Jig. First I screwed two pieces of birch plywood together. Important here is to use no glue. Because the pieces had not the same size, I trimmed off the overlap. Here I drilled a hole for the screw that I use later. The next step was to use a hole saw to make a 44mm hole, but just through the first layer. I used the bored out piece for the first star knob. I sawed out some 24mm pieces, which were also used for the star knobs.
I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever.
I drilled a hole in the jig and in the 44mm piece, in which the hexagonal bolts sits in later. In the smaller piece I drilled a bigger hole.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real.
Here I tried to figure out what's the best distance for the second hole in the jig.
We'll get real lost again.
I used the same hole saw as before, but just to saw a few millimeters deep.
We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real.
I secured the not complete sawed out piece with two screws from behind. Then I could saw through the first and a bit in the second layer.
Where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight.
I had to shorten a hexagonal screw because I had no screw with the right length.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
have made marks on the jig and one on the big star knob piece, which allow me to rotate the piece by 120 degrees. The process was to saw through the piece with the same hole saw as before, then rotate the piece and saw again, and then the same process once more. I had to use a screw from above and a nut from underneath, because the screw and nut was in the way of the hole saw.
Where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
And here it is, my first star knob piece.
Just run away with me, darling.
I sanded the sharp edges of the piece.
We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
The assembly was pretty easy. A hexagonal screw from one side and a nut from the other side. And the little piece acts as a spacer and a cover for the nut. The little piece was glued in and clamped with the wing nut. That was the prototype. Now it was time to make the two star knobs for my fold down vise.
We'll kiss the sky goodnight. I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. lost with me. Come get lost.
And here they are, and they work perfect with my voice. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, share and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!